So this is a man with conviction, with determination, with serving its citizen, but at the same time to play a big role in Europe. And we have changes in France with François Hollande, changes in the Netherlands, changes in Denmark already before, we have in Slovakia and Romania. And now it's about Malta.
Huwa b'dan il-mod li l-ħadd filgħodu il-President tal-Grupp Socjalista fil-Parlament Ewropew Hanes Swoboda iddeskriva lill-mexxej Laburista Muscat. Qal li għalkemm il-mexxej Laburista qed imexxi kampanja serena, Muscat jaf fejn irid jasal u jinsab determinat li jerfa' ċ-ċittadin il fuq permezz ta' stil ġdid ta' politika. Għandna bżonn persuna li b'mod tanġibbli taf kif timxi l-Unjoni Ewropea għal Swoboda li kapaċi tgħaqqad l-għajta ta' Malta Taghna Lkoll mal-għajta ta' l-Ewropa Taghna Lkoll. Il-pajjiż għandu jkun hemm ċittadin, insista Swoboda, u mhux għal xi klikka ristretta ta' nies. Mistoqsi dwar il-bidla meħtieġa, Swoboda semma l-proposti konkreti u onesti tal-Partit Laburista fost l-oħrajn dwar il-qasam tas-saħħa.
They propose very concrete and very honest proposals and changes concerning the citizens, for example, in the health service. Health service is something which, as the slogan also is for the country, it has to be a service for all. It's not about the rich getting a good service and the poor a poor service. This is not a just society. So these things are to change is very important.
Fost il-prioritajiet li għandu jkollu Gvern Gdid hemm li naqqas id-distak soċjali bejn il-foqra u s-sinjuri għal Swoboda fil-waqt li jindirizza r-rata ta' qatt fost iż-żgħażagħ li fi kliem Swoboda huma parti importanti tas-soċjetà.
It's very, very important to give a clear message to our young people. We don't leave you alone. You are part of our society. Again, what is the slogan of Malta for all?
Il-President tal-Grupp Socjalista tem jgħid li jekk ikun hemm Gvern ġdid wara d-9 ta' Marzu, Muscat se jsib l-appoġġ u s-solidarjetà tal-familja tas-Soċjalisti Ewropej.
The message from Europe is clear. Muscat will have all our support and our solidarity.